Okay guys, it's me Imad. So today in this video tutorial we will learn about how to use or how to simulate a full adder within the simulide simulator. So how we can do that, you can see that I have all sort of components available on my left hand side. You can see that it is written probe, voltmeter, amp meter and all the components down here. So we will go and we will search for our full adder module. So in arithmetic, we got our full adder module. Click on it and drag it out like this. Now you can see that there are 3 inputs and 2 outputs, A, B and CI, that is carry in. Means that the bits which needed to be added must be supplied on A and B, and they can either be 0 or 1, while Cin is a carry from the previous stage. So how we can do that? Now we will go and we will perform it experimentally, and I will explain it to you as well. So I will go and I will take my fixed voltage power supplies, and these fixed voltage power supply here will provide bits, that is 0 and 1. So there are 3 power supplies which are here. One must be connected with that of A and the second one with that of B. Okay, and the third one with that of carry in. And what about the sum and carry out? These 2 pins we will connect the LEDs so that we can observe our output. So this is the LED which will show the sum output bit. We will copy it out, we will paste it out, and like this. And now we need to connect with each other. And resistor, this is the resistor, we need to drag it down. Okay, and we will. Okay, now it is ground. Like this. Okay, now why we have added the resistor? Because when the LEDs are on, the 5 volt can be dangerous for these LEDs. So it is better to put 100 ohm resistor, or we can reduce its value to like 50 ohm. It is better. So 50 or 60. It's enough. Now we will simulate it out. Now it is running. Now we can see that when it is 0, 0 and 0 on the 3 bits. So we will add 0 plus 0 plus 0. And we know that 0 plus 0 plus 0 is 0. Okay. So we can see that both of our LEDs are off, means that on sum it is 0, it is showing us 0, and carry out it is also the 0. Okay. Okay, now we will go and we will make one of the bit high, that is 1, like carry in. Now we will add these 3 bits, that is 1 is carry in, 0 plus 0, that is 1 plus 0 plus 0, it is 1. Okay. So now 1 in DLD or digital logic design, it will be considered as 0, 1. Okay. It is considered as the 0, 1. So we have output 1 on the sum pin and 0 on the carry out pin. Okay. Now we will provide, again we will make this A pin bit high, that is providing 1 on A. Now it is 0, 1, 0. So we will add 0 plus 1 plus 0 is 1. Again 1. And now we know that 1 is represented by 0, 1 in DLD. Now do it for the third one. It is again 0 1. Now we will make 2 bits high, either carry in or A. Now you can see that 1 plus 1, it is 2. 1 plus 1 is 2. We know that 2 has been represented by 1 0. So it is 1 and 0. Okay, just like 1 is represented by 0 1, so 2 is represented by 1 0. So we can see that on sum we are getting 0, while on carry out we are getting this one. Now if we will make all the bits high like this, that is 1 plus 1 plus 1. So now we know that it is 3. And 3 is represented by 1 and 1 in digital logic design. So 0 is represented by 0 0, 1 is represented by 0 1, 2 is represented by 1 0, and 3 is represented by 1 and 1. So that is why in case of 3, we are getting 1 on the sum pin and 1 on the carry out pin. So in this way we can simulate our full adder with the help of simulide simulator. So hopefully you got the concept. So thanks for visiting our channel and don't forget to subscribe.